Hello friends, welcome to our channel Castor classes. And in this particular video, I am going to discuss one very important concept related to strings in Python. Before moving to new concept, just I want to ask you one question based on the concept whatever I have discussed in my previous video. Okay, suppose I am writing AB, y equal to B. Now you tell me, if I write x greater than y, what we should get as output, true or false? Try to think about this for a moment. So we will be getting output as false. Why? Because recall our previous video, I told you that string comparison is done based on lexicographical order or dictionary order. Now if you check these two strings AB and B, AB will appear before B in dictionary, right? Because it is starting with A. Obviously it will appear before the string B. So as a result, what will happen? AB will be lesser than B. So when you are writing x greater than y, that should be false because x is actually less than y because x is appearing before y in dictionary. So if you run, you will be getting output as false. Okay. So this is one concept which I want to discuss. This type of questions are very important for placement process. Okay. In interview, the interviewer may ask you this type of question. Now let me discuss very important concept, that is indexing. Okay, what is that? See, index is nothing but a position of a particular character in a string. Suppose let me write HELLO. So now what will happen? This string, each character will be having an index. Okay, H is having index 0, E is having index 1, L is having index 2, this L is having index 3, and this O is having index 4. That means in case of Python, the string index starts from 0 in case when we are traversing from left to right. Okay, so left to right traversal starting from 0, it will keep on incrementing by a value 1. Okay, and this will help us to extract a particular character. Suppose I am writing x and inside square bracket I am writing the index position. Suppose I am writing x of 0. I told you the index starts from 0 from the left to right side, right? So here the leftmost is 0th index. If you run, you will be getting h. So like that you can extract a particular character at a particular index in string. Okay, I am writing x of 1. I will be getting e which is basically at index 1. I am writing x of 4. What you should get an output? Yes, I think you have predicted this correctly. That is O, because H is index 0, E is index 1, L is index 2, L is index 3, O is index 4. Okay, so this is called positive indexing because all the index when you are traversing from left to right are positive. See, greater than or equal to 0. See, this is 0, 1, 2, 3, 4, like that it is going. So in the reverse way, there is one more concept is there in case of Python, that is negative indexing, which is not present in Java or other programming language, most of the other programming language. Like in case of Java, if you are writing x of -1 after defining one string as x, you will be getting array index out of bound exception. Okay, because in case of Java, index cannot be negative for string or for array, for list, that is collection, whatever you consider. But in Python, here there is concept of negative indexing. And how that happens? If you traverse from left to right, you have seen that index is incremented by 1 starting from 0. Now, if you are traversing from right to left, what will happen? The rightmost index is -1. And if you are traversing from right to left, the index will keep on decrementing. So basically this will be corresponding to index position -1. This L is corresponding to index position -2. This L is corresponding to index position -3. This E is corresponding to index position -4. And this H is corresponding to index position -5. See, I am writing x of -1, I will be getting O. X of -2, I will be getting, x of -2, I will be getting L. X of -3, I will be getting L. X of -4, I will be getting E. And x of -5, I will be getting what? Obviously H. Okay, that is the leftmost character. Now you may think, why not in case of traversing from right to left, that is in case of negative indexing, the index never starts from 0. try to think this logically. Very good question. If you get this doubt, see, when you are traversing from left to right, the index starts from 0, but when you are traversing from right to left, you are starting your index from -1, because there is no concept of -0. Is there any concept of -0 in natural number? No, right? 0 is 0 only. No, neither +0, -0 like that. Okay. So there is no concept of -0. So that we should start from something. So we are starting from -1 in case of negative indexing. Okay. Next concept, which is very helpful for solving different programming question, that is making it general. Okay, that is user input. Suppose I am writing e equal to input. Okay, I am taking input from the user. Now every time I suppose I want to get the last character of the string. Okay, how I can get? See, very simple. Consider this particular string hello. This is having length of 5, right? See, HELLO. So 5 characters, length is 5. Now understand it very carefully. As the index is starting from 0, so obviously the last character or rightmost character will be having the index as length of the string -1. Like if you consider this case, the length is 5 and the O character is having the index 4, which is basically length -1, 5 -1, right? So every time this will satisfy. So simply we can print E then square bracket and calculate the length. Already I have discussed earlier, -1. Okay, let me run this code. Suppose I am writing welcome to Castor classes. Okay, if I click enter, see, I will be getting S, which is basically the last character of this string. You can check for other case also. Suppose hello world. Okay, you'll be getting D, which is the last character. And remember this, very important, don't do mistake in this particular part. That is, suppose I am writing hello world, then this W is having index as 6, not 5. See, 0, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Consider this space also as a character. Very, very important. See, I will be writing E of 6, I will be getting W. If I write E of 5, I will be getting one empty space. Okay, space also count as a character. Very, very important. Okay. So this is all for my this video. So what we have learned in our this video, there is positive indexing, negative indexing, and if user give any input string, how to get the last or rightmost character. Okay, these are very important concept for solving programming. Later I will discuss. So if you find this video helpful, please like, share and comment, and if you have not subscribed our channel, don't forget to subscribe and press the bell icon to get the notification of our latest video. Thank you for watching.